Hello, River Street students. Mr. David here with my daughter Ashlyn with an awesome version of cornhole. This cornhole is called Paper Airplane Cornhole, and you're gonna make your own paper airplanes.
There will be a link where you can learn how to make a paper airplane.
And this is how you score your game. If you make your paper airplane into the basket, you get 2 points. If you throw it in front, you get 1 point. And if you throw it over the basket, you get
0 points.
Now you can throw your paper airplane into the basket from any distance you want. You can even sit in a chair if you want to sit in a chair to throw it. We made a nice line
Made out of plates.
So Ashley's gonna go first. We actually made for our game 2 different types of paper airplanes. We made what colors did we use, Ashley?
Pink paper airplane and a white paper airplane. So we know which team has which.
So Ashley's gonna go first. She's going to.
Point, step, blow.
She missed it.
And I got 0 points.
Now it's my turn. I'm gonna go. Point, step, and throw. Oh, I lofted it in there. I got 2 points. Ashlyn's turn.
Point, step, and throw. 0 points again.
A little too far.
So
My
far,
turn.
Daddy has 2 and I have 0.
Point, step, and throw. Oh, 0 points. Ashlyn's last throw is right here.
Oh no, I'm really nervous. Point.
Oh, almost. You got 1 point though. That's awesome.
So I got 1 point for my final score.
My turn. Point, step, and throw. And I got 1 point. So this should be an awesome, fun activity for you to do this week.
And it could be a fun family game. And I left off with 1 point, and I left off with
5 points.
5 points.